This is a fire extinguisher ball. It explodes when it comes in contact with fire. And Eric has his boring company, not a flamethrower.
Not a flamethrower.
Yes. Yesterday's video, we destroyed a mannequin and it was kind of funny and fun and we got to see how this thing works. It is actually really cool. I'm pumped to get mine whenever they are able to get it to me, which who knows when it's gonna be. As we talked about yesterday, there are certain things you do want to do and do not want to do. You gotta be careful with this thing and be safe. Well, we wanna see what the reaction is if it hits a fire extinguisher ball, an exploding fire extinguisher ball. So we decided to create the most epic game of hot potato ever. Here's what's gonna happen. Hunter is going to be on this side. I'm going to be somewhere over here. And then Eric is going to have the not a flamethrower. What we're gonna do is throw this thing back and forth, and he's going to torch it back and forth without torching our heads. And we're gonna see if this is gonna explode in one of our hands or if it's gonna explode in the air. Hopefully it explodes right up there in the top of the air and it's this beautiful explosion. But if not, then one of us is just gonna get wasted. Let us know in the comments below, before you watch the rest of the video, which one of us is gonna get the most wasted? Me, Hunter, or Eric? And when I say wasted, I mean destroyed with powder from the fire extinguisher ball. And if you haven't seen it yet, we've done 2 videos with this. One of them we did in 3D 180, so you can put on VR headsets and watch it explode. It's amazing. The other one that we did was with Devin Supertramp. He had a phantom slow motion camera and we filmed it, and I don't even remember how many frames per second, and I held it in my hand and had it explode, and it was pretty cool. All right, hot potato time. Hopefully it's Hunter that gets the explosion, but we'll see. Here I go! Gotta catch it! Follow a little more. Oh! Oh, what the heck? That failed. That was a total fail. Hunter, you lose, but the ball loses. That was terrible. Good thing is we have one other, so that was pretty cool. But not quite the explosion I was hoping for. So let's try it again with another ball.
Take 2.
This is the last fire extinguisher ball we have, so please explode. I really want to see it do a cool thing. And I really want to see Hunter get just demolished, just get wrecked with this. All right, new canister of propane. This is it. It's starting to leak a little bit of the powder as we throw it, so we're gonna try to be gentle with it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! It's still lit! It's still working! Yes! How are you doing, Hunter?
As soon as it went, oh gosh.
Look at the clouds up there. Okay, we're gonna rewatch it here. You guys have already seen it. How many throws did it take? 1. Oh! Oh my God. So I was lucky. I've dodged the entire cloud of smoke.
Well, it was just going towards me.
Hunter was done. Hot potato, I don't know who was the winner. Were you touching it?
No, it was all in midair.
It was all mid-air air. So if you put, it's gonna explode in midair and nobody's gonna catch it. In the comments, you were right. So that was a blast. That was a lot of fun.
Didn't put it out though.
No, it didn't. Just know if you ever want to put out a fire, a flamethrower, maybe don't use an exploding fire extinguisher ball. Now you know, we're just trying to make you smarter. We're not trying to do things that are goofy and dangerous. All right, stay tuned for maybe another flamethrower video tomorrow, maybe. And if not, go check out Eric's channel. We'll link it in the description right here at the end. And you can go watch some awesome videos of things that he's going to do at his house with the not a flamethrower. Thanks, Hunter, for your help.
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
I really want to see Hunter get just demolished, just get wrecked with this.